colors. Summer love, lonesome dove, folded on the lawn chair in all the colors. Summer love, remember when we were getting nowhere fast, when the garden won't stop giving back. Honeysuckle, fresh cut grass. I could really use some stuff like that. Talk to me and tell me all that you've seen, all the colors. Summer love, memories washed in every shade of green in all the colors. Summer love, remember the lazy river day canoe, bathing in the turquoise blue, losing track of time with you. Another peach pie sunset view, sleeping in the afternoon. No place to be and nothing to prove.
That is the most gorgeous pop of colour against the monochromatic background. I've been on a monochromatic background theme for a few days and doing pops of colour on it, and it is stunning. Those orange, red and gold, beautiful, love it, absolutely love it. You could turn that around any which way you choose. I love it. What do you guys think? That is so gorgeous. Definitely with a coat of whether it be resin or a nice varnish finish when it's fully dry. Gorgeous. Thank you again, my lovelies, for joining me. I absolutely appreciate you being on this crazy art journey with me. I hope that you do give it a go and you try things, take, you know, bits of my ideas. You don't have to like or do anything of what I do, but if there's an idea there that you can further push your boundaries on, then go for it. But that's looking super duper, I think, in my eyes. And remember, it's only you that you have to please. Don't let others criticize your work when it's something you're doing for therapy, or whether you sell it or not. It's completely you. All right, until tomorrow, I will say bye for now.